What if in 2026 you can create Hollywood videos with free, no cameras, editing, or expensive software? Today, I'll show you the best tools to do it in minutes, plus secret prompts for 10x better results.
Welcome back to The Explainer. Okay, today we are digging into something seriously fascinating. We're breaking down a masterclass artifact, a literal 2026 blueprint that outlines exactly how to generate highly engaging, viral AI videos. And the kicker? Doing it entirely for free. If you've been wondering how the future of automated content is being engineered right now to pull in millions of views, you are absolutely in the right place. Let's get into it.
So, right off the bat, the source material hooks us with this bold question. Want to create cinematic AI videos entirely for free? And notice the word cinematic. We're not talking about those old, clunky, weirdly warped AI clips from a few years ago. We are talking true, high-end, Hollywood-level quality. The whole premise here is giving everyday creators the power of a massive production studio, literally without spending a single dime. It's a huge promise, right? Well, this document maps out exactly how to actually pull that off.
Here's our game plan for today. We'll start with the 2026 AI blueprint, walk through the step-by-step video generation, dive into mobile-friendly creation methods, cover the common mistakes to avoid, look at the best free AI websites, and wrap up with viral SEO and hashtags.
All right, Section 1, the 2026 AI Blueprint.
This blueprint is honestly a masterclass in audience psychology. Because here's the thing. To get those mind-blowing visuals from free AI tools in 2026, dropping a basic one-word prompt like city just isn't going to cut it anymore. You have to start thinking and speaking like a literal cinematographer. Take a listen to this example prompt from the text. A highly detailed, futuristic city at sunset, cinematic lighting, 4K resolution. You see what's happening there? You're basically playing director, dictating the exact lighting, the mood, the resolution. That's the level of hyper-specific detail you need to trigger those hyper-realistic, viral-worthy shots.
Moving right along to Section 2, step-by-step video generation.
Now, you might think orchestrating all this requires some crazy technical background, but it really doesn't. The source lays out a remarkably simple 4-step linear sequence. Step 1, you generate your video from text using those juicy cinematic prompts we just talked about. Step 2, you add an AI voiceover to build out your narrative. Step 3, drop in some generated AI music to set the exact emotional vibe. And finally, Step 4, slap on your auto subtitles and effects. It's like a giant puzzle, and the blueprint really emphasizes this exact stacking method to just seamlessly layer these free tools into a polished masterpiece.
Which brings us to Section 3, mobile-friendly creation methods.
This is where the paradigm completely shifts. You don't need a massive, glowing, water-cooled desktop rig to pull this off anymore. The 2026 workflow is all about being on the go. We're talking browser-based AI generators that run perfectly on your phone. You pair that with cloud syncing, so you're managing your scripts wherever you are, tossing them into lightweight mobile editing apps for quick visual overlays, and then boom, one-tap exporting straight to your socials. The source material makes it clear. You can literally run an entire production studio and build a viral hit from a corner table at a coffee shop just using your smartphone.
Let's pivot to Section 4, common mistakes to avoid.
Okay, so knowing the tools is only half the battle, right? Knowing what not to do is what actually separates the amateurs from the pros. And the ultimate rookie mistake? Relying on vague prompts and those default super robotic AI voices, you know the ones. In 2026, audiences are completely ruthless. They will scroll past an automated telemarketer voice in half a second. So the pro fix demanded by the blueprint is to combine those hyper-specific prompts with emotion-tuned AI voices. You need to actively direct the inflection, the pacing, and the tone to make it sound incredibly human.
Next up, Section 5, best free AI websites. While the specific URLs of these sites are going to change all the time, the core technology stack basically rests on 4 central pillars. You need text-to-video generators to act as your camera crew. You need free emotion-tuned voice platforms to be your narrator. You need royalty-free music generators to compose your soundtrack. And finally, auto-captioning tools to handle post-production. By bouncing your assets smoothly between these 4 categories, you can build out the entire workflow without swiping your credit card once. And finally, Section 6, viral SEO and hashtags.
Because let's be real, generating a stunning video is great, but it's totally pointless if the algorithm doesn't push it to anyone. The blueprint actually provides a precise formula for maximizing your reach, and it all revolves around one specific magic number: 15. The strategy states you need exactly 15 trending hashtags, no more, no less. Apparently, this is the optimal sweet spot calculated to trigger recommendation engines without the system flagging your post as spam.
But it doesn't stop at hashtags. The visual and text packaging has to be absolutely dialed in. For a YouTube title, the blueprint suggests a super clear, high-conversion format, like How to Make AI Videos for Free 2026. Notice how free is capitalized, and the year is there to signal immediate relevance. Then, for the thumbnail text, you don't just repeat the title. You use punchy, emotional triggers, like zero cost. The whole idea is to spark immediate curiosity and just skyrocket that click-through rate.
To wrap things up, the source blueprint gives a quick reminder to always ask your viewers for likes, subscriptions, and comments to feed that engagement algorithm. But I want to leave you with a provocative question the material poses at the very end. Now that you've got the 2026 blueprint, you know the 4-step workflow, the mobile-first strategies, the common traps to avoid, and the exact SEO packaging, what are you going to create first? The tools are out there and they are completely free. Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer, and I seriously can't wait to see what you build.
Here's how creators in 2026 make viral AI videos for free. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which tool shocked you. Stay connected because see you in the next video.